Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese in Genshin Impact. To begin, you'll need to gather some fresh milk, which is a common ingredient found throughout Teyvat. Once you have your milk, head to any cooking pot you find in the game world. This is the only way to process milk into delicious cheese. It's a straightforward process that will enhance your culinary adventures. Finding milk is quite simple. You can purchase it from general goods vendors located in the main cities. For example, Blanche in Mondstadt and Dingsheng in Liu Harbor both stock this essential ingredient. Each bottle costs a modest 105 mora, and you can buy up to 10 bottles from each vendor every day. Stocking up is easy and ensures you always have enough for your cheese-making needs. Once you have your milk, approach any cooking pot and interact with it. This will bring up the cooking menu. You'll want to switch over to the Process tab, which is specifically designed for converting raw ingredients into more refined ones. From there, simply select milk from your inventory. Confirm your choice, and the processing will begin, transforming your milk into cheese over a short period. Now that you've successfully made cheese, it's time to put it to good use. Cheese is a versatile ingredient, crucial for crafting some very beneficial dishes in Genshin Impact. For instance, it's used in the Northern Apple Stew, which helps restore stamina, and the Universal Piece, a dish known for its substantial healing and revival properties. Enjoy incorporating your freshly made cheese into your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.